Hello everyone, welcome to another new video, and I hope that you are doing well and having a really good time. So it is light rain happen here and the sky is full of cloud. But in today's video I want to talk about importance of newspaper. If you want to really improve your speaking English, newspaper play a crucial role. So why I talk about newspaper is very important. So if you want to really improve your speaking English, newspaper is the better option. You see, it is one of the best option for improve your speaking English. So let's talk about importance of newspaper. So at first, improve your vocabulary. So when you read newspaper, you can see new word, new sentence, new phrase, and which is very important for you. Sometimes we don't have essential word to express our opinion, but when you read newspaper you can get lot of idea how to express and how to make a sentence. Sometimes we are frustrated, we don't find out any specific sentence word how to make a proper sentence and how to express our opinion. So when you read newspaper you can gain lot of idea how to make a perfect sentence. This is the special importance of newspaper, and even newspaper is the best habit to make your English better. And second thing is enhance your pronunciation. When you read newspaper loudly and it is improve your pronunciation. Sometimes we are stucking when you read any English phrases, any paragraph, anything, but we can't pronunciation fully. Even our sound is not better, is stocking. But why it is happening? Because we are not practice. So when you read newspaper loudly and our pronunciation is improved, and we can improve our pronunciation when you read loudly. Sometimes we are stocking, sir, our mind cannot work, but when you read newspaper then our pronunciation will be improved. The third thing is enhance your sentence structure. So when you read newspaper, your sentence structure will be improved. So how is your sentence structure will be improved? The main thing is when you read any specific newspaper, you can get lots of idea. One thing I want to clarify, literally newspaper written with the proper grammar. Even in newspaper there uses passive sentences. At the initial stage it was very difficult to understand, but when you read regularly newspaper then it will be automatically improved, and how to make a perfect sentence and how to express your opinion. So if I told you just make a paragraph with your own language, especially your mother tongue, you can't make a perfect grammar, even you can't use the perfect vocabulary and perfect sentence making. So it is habit of newspaper. So when you read newspaper, always read perfect grammar and the essential word. They are using essential word and which is better our paragraphs, anything. So you can get lots of idea from the newspaper. So remember, one thing I want to clarify. So once upon a time every expert was a beginner. You just think that at this stage you are beginner and it is very difficult, and don't be shy. And sometimes and you think that if I make a mistakes people will mock with you, but don't think about this type of thinking. You just avoid it and you just think that every expert was a beginner. Like, don't be shy. If you want to really improve your speaking English, then newspaper play important role for your English speaking journey. And you just, I don't told you, you just buy every day a newspaper. Don't need to buy a single newspaper every day. You buy one single paper, especially the English newspaper, and last week you read the same newspaper. So when you read complete, then you can buy another newspaper. And in this way, if you read especially the 1 month, and you can get a lot of changes. So when you read especially the 1 month, so you compare with yourself. Don't compare with others. And 15 days ago what is your position and nowadays what is your situation. You can get the changes your